Alright, our next presentation. One of my favorite animals. Have never seen one of these in the wild. I would love to. She's going to tell us a lot more about him. The cougar, Miss Sam Kearns.
Okay, so I'm Sam Kearns. This is my presentation on cougars. So their classification, their kingdom is Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Mammalia, order Carnivora, family Felidae, and then their genus and species is the same, and that's Felis concolor. And cougars are related to all cats and are also called mountain lions, pumas, and deer tiger. So that's a puma, a cougar, and mountain lion, so they all just look the same. Their physical characteristics, they're very shy and timid. Males weigh from 150 to 220 pounds. Females weigh from 95 to 110. Males and females look almost exactly alike. They grow to a length of 7.5 feet. Their plague is unspotted and varying from a brown to silver. They have blue eyes and rings around their tails when they're born. They have very small heads and a consistent diet of meat. So their distribution, they used to have a really big distribution, but it's gone down drastically in the past couple of years. And now they're more in North and South America and mostly in the Western Hemisphere. And they had one of the biggest distribution of all mammals, but now one of the medium-sized ones. So that's where they live. And then their habitat, it depends greatly on where they are. They don't have one particular habitat, but they have a really wide tolerance going in all directions. And they have a more frequent use of dens and caves, and they live mostly in tropical rainforests or dry deserts. And they space themselves so they can have easy access to food, water, and other essential needs where they are. And they decide their home on vision, smell, and hearing. So their conservation status, according to the IUCN Red List, they are endangered. Their numbers used to be decreasing, but they're staying pretty stable now. And almost 2,000 cougars are shot every year, but there's still plenty of them out there, but their numbers shouldn't be this low. Reproductive characteristics, they give birth in late spring. Litters can have 1 to 6 cubs, but average is 3 to 4, and they start mating when they're 3 years old. Parent care, babies stay with their parents until they're about 1.5 to 2 years old. Only the mother takes care of the babies, and the mother teaches them everything they need to know to survive on their own. Longevity and mortality, they generally live 10 to 15 years of age. Males and females usually live the same amount of years, and in captivity they live to be 20 years old. Their seasonal patterns, they don't hibernate and they don't migrate. Their diet, cougars are carnivores, so they only eat meat, and their diet consists of elk, moose, deer, and things like that. Predator relationship, humans are the cougars' main predators. Their animal predators are jaguars, bears, wolves, wolverines, alligators, and other cougars for food and territory. And these animals are a big threat to the cougar's conservation status. Their human relationship, they're very shy and timid when they're around us. They're not fond of humans, and the only contact humans have with cougars are in zoos and captivity. Fun facts, their long limbs allow them to cover a distance of 40 feet in a single leap. The cougar is known by a number of names like panther, puma, Florida panther, catamount, mountain lion, mountain screamer, and they're not social creatures and they're very reserved animals. So this is my work cited. Any questions? Justin?
Why are you involved with captivity?
I don't know, just because like things in the wild that they eat, they can like kill them sometimes, so just in captivity they have like better nutrition, I guess. Mr. Myers?
What kind of mating system does this animal use?
They fight
The males, they
Yeah.
fight for females, just like with their claws and stuff.
Yeah.
And then how do humans affect their conservation?
Well, like they shoot them, so like 2,000 cougars are shot every year. So, Justin,
Do cougars ever kill humans?
they might. Probably, I don't know.